Hello everybody, it's the DM Journey channel. My name is Dima. Today I give you a quick lesson how to drive a bike, especially in Thailand, because right now we're in Thailand. So first of all, you need to rent this bike in a good places. Do not rent in like shady, because a lot of scam in Thailand. So this is our bike. It's pink, but it's only one option. We also can get that, but it costs 300 baht, but this one costs 200. Also, when you rent, check around your bike, just photo on your phone or scratches, because if you scratch the bike, you're not gonna your deposit back. Also, always give your copy of your passport, not your real passport, to the rental place. It costs around 200 baht for us, 2000 deposit, so your prices should be similar. If you first time rent the bike, it's a good idea to rent not a new one, because if you scratch the new one, it will be obvious. And always wear the helmet, because without helmet, if you fall down, it could be danger for your health. Try to get as good helm as possible. This one is pretty good, but I've seen a not so great helmet in the rental places, a pretty small one, and they could be not so safer. Alright, let's check this bike. This is like key hole. You need to put this key inside and turn on the right. This is where you can check your gas level. This is speedometer, different information, for example turn lights. It's a Honda Scoopy, but I assume a lot of bikes pretty similar. This is the light, it's just a button. This is a horn, sorry. This is a turn lights, left, and to turn it off you need to put it right, put it. How you start the engine? You need to turn up your handler, I'm not sure how it's called right. You need to push your front brake and you need to press this button. This is a urgent start. And it started. And before the ride, I suggest you to try this bike weight balance a little bit, because you need to like used to its weight. It's pretty heavy. And I forget one important thing, it's mirrors. You need to adjust your mirrors. You need to see right side of the road, so maybe you ask your friend to stay there and try to see him. And the same thing with the left mirror, but the right is more important because it's left side riding in Thailand. To start moving, you need to turn this handle, right handle, to your side like this, and you start moving. Try to not to put your feet on the bike immediately, because this way you can lose the balance and fall down. Try to move a little bit with your spread foot like this. After you feel comfortable, you can put your foot on the bike. To turn engine off, you need to put down this handle and the engine stops. For the first time, I recommend you to go around your district, small area where you live, roads like this where there's not so much people, not to go on the big road immediately because it's pretty dangerous there. When you try to turn right and left, try a little bit on the small roads. It's really hard to say how to do that, but it's pretty similar on the bicycles. If you ride the bicycle, you know that you need to like or turn your wheel to the right, to the left, or if it's like small turn, you need to like balance by your body. Good idea when you turn, also put one foot a little bit on the road and like balance with it. Where I can put the gas, and for that you need to turn your key off. You need to put it here and open. this. And this is a gas place. When you go to gas station, the guys who works there told you it's a place you need. Pretty much it. Also, when you first time drive, you need to be really careful about acceleration. It's really easy to turn it really hard. And when you go forward, your hand could be even like turn to you and you go faster. It could lead to falling. Try to hold the brake and try this handle to get a feeling how it works, and then you can release the brake and try to go. When you drive for the first time and you're like together, two people, try to drive alone for the first. When the guys sit here, the bike become very heavy. It's a little bit harder to balancing. Also, not a good idea to drive at night because a lot of traffic at night in Thailand. So that's it. Drive safe. What's up guys, it's Dima from the present time. Thank you for hearing Dima from the past, and all advices are pretty related right now. After driving for 3 months around Asia, especially in Bali, I could add a little bit more. It's a few advices. First of all, always wearing a helmet. I've seen how many tourists here not wearing a helmet. First of all, it protects you from the falling down when you protect your head, and also when you driving, protect you from getting different stuff at your face, like insects or even birds could fly into your face, and the glass always protect you. And if you staying here in Asia, for example for a month or even more, you can always buy a helmet, because the helmet from the renting places are pretty bad. Always buy a helmet, full face helmet, and you always can sell it here because it's like really reliable market, and we sell our helmet for 1 day. And the second one, always prepare for bed, because here in Asia it could be a dog rushing on the street, chickens, even people, crazy bikers. Always be aware or not going very fast, because you can not manage to brake your bike immediately. Thank you for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you're interested. A lot of more content from here, from Bali, will be on the channel pretty soon. And give us a thumbs up if you like this content. It's kind of experiment, informational content. See you in the next one. Bye.